I run a whole host of reports. Some of the things that I'm most interested in is tracking our orders that come into the building. We've set up calendars that build up the total of orders by day, by week, by month. And then I can also look at my orders by salesperson if I want to, or by product category, for example. So that's something I spend a lot of time on. I also look at shipments on our calendar, as well as our backlog to identify what future shipments are likely to occur, planned to occur. So I know early on what our revenue is going to be in a given month. And then the other reports I run are kind of historical, the typical income statements, balance sheets, things of that nature. I run the shipments by part category, which helps me to identify what our revenue sources are. So in our business, that could be illuminated product, or it could be what we call tackers, which are metal or aluminum signage. It helps me identify what the sources of revenue are. So each of those product categories has a different profitability expectation. One item I run on a daily basis would be our detailed trial balance, so that I can see what costs are hitting our income statement on a daily basis and identify any abnormal expenses that might pop up.